Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。今日はとっても懐かしいミルクセーキを作ります。子供の時、甘くて冷たくて美味しいなと思いながら飲んだのを思い出します。今日は今風に少しアレンジして作ります。
Let's make the milk shake. In a blender, combine the milk, fresh egg yolk, vanilla extract, sliced banana, and your favorite type of syrup. Add the 3 ice cubes. Cover with a lid. Pulse several times, and then blend the mixture until the ice breaks into small pieces. You can adjust the amount of ice cubes or syrup to taste. Pour the banana milk shake into a glass. By the way, we use the syrup made from oligo sugar or oligosaccharides, which will help to maintain your digestive health. Top with the cinnamon powder. And garnish with the granola. This is best served cold during the hot season, and it's great for post-workout nutrition. Make sure to use a fresh egg yolk or pasteurized egg. Honey, maple syrup, or your favorite type of sugar can also be used instead.
美味しい。
I am a bit shaky today, but don't worry, I'm fine. I feel the force, just like Yoda. Good luck in the kitchen.
今日はとっても懐かしいミルクセーキを作ります。